Hello and welcome. I'm Shamil, an on-site engineer from Meridyen AI. Meridyen AI isn't just a platform you use through a browser. Your development team can also build directly on top of it. The Developer tab, as you can see here, gives you full SDK to integrate Meridyen AI's full AI capabilities into any application you already have. The SDK supports both Python and JavaScript, and installation is a single line of code, as you can see here. Once connected, just like you would in the chat interface, your application can start asking questions to your database in plain language. Let's move on to the Info tab. Every query returns a natural language answer, the SQL that was generated behind the scenes, and the raw data, all in one response. Your application gets everything it needs without writing a single line of SQL. Under here in Visualization and Streaming, responses aren't limited to text. The SDK can return chart-ready data so your app can render visuals automatically. And with built-in streaming support, answers can appear in real time, ideal for any interface where speed and responsiveness matter. The SDK also supports multi-turn conversations. So follow-up questions remember the context of what came before them. And for high-demand applications, multiple queries can be run simultaneously without any bottlenecks. Under here in Configuration and Errors, whether you're building an internal tool, automating reports, or embedding AI into a customer-facing product, Meridyen AI's SDK brings the full power of the platform wherever you need it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.